Now we're going to add the SSH key that we just created in the last step to our DigitalOcean account. This is really simple to do. We just go to Account in the bottom left, Security, and then we just scroll down very slightly and we go to SSH keys and we click on Add SSH key. Now if you remember from the last step, we outputted our public key. You want to make a copy of that and you want to paste it into here. And I like to give it a name. And then you just click Add SSH key. And as you can see here, SSH key created successfully. We have our key here with our name and its fingerprint. And that's it. You've successfully added the key to your DigitalOcean account.